USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. You can join free Telegram channel. If you want some free signals every now and then, go and join Telegram. And then check out the pro firm and the brokers right here. Sign up with these brokers, start a fresh trading account because I want you to have a separate broker account when you are going to trade with my signals. So trade in that account only with my signals, and then later on I will ask you what is my win rate, and so it's all the data. Okay, so open separate account and then trade with my signals in the coming future. Subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to the chart here now, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. And weekly, what do we have? In weekly, we did not break the previous low, so this red candle did not break this low, so we are going up now. That's what I can see. So let's go back to daily. In daily, what we have? In daily, we have uptrend. Okay, so this high is broken, as you can see. So this candle or these two candles broke the previous high. Now we're taking a pullback. After the pullback, we'll go up. So look for longs in USDJPY. Coming back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, what do we have? We have this uptrend right here, a sexy pullback of 50%, I guess. Okay, on Friday. Or Friday is a useless day. Okay, on Friday we were consolidating, ranging sideways. Okay, so Friday is like bullshit day. On Friday, you know how it was, very slow day. Okay, so yeah, we took a pullback. So this was the uptrend, then we took a pullback, and now we have to go long and take your profit somewhere here. Okay, so this upcoming week for dollar is going to be up. So dollar is gonna go, dollar is going to go up this week. So no point in taking a short USDJPY. Look for longs, and this is your entry. Okay, so do whatever you like. Now if you like what you see, subscribe, share the video and all of that, and join Telegram, sign up with the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.